টেবিলে লেখো আহ, দুটো রো করো। ফার্স্ট রোটা লেফট সাইডে লেখো ভেলোসিটি ইন কিলোমিটার পার আওয়ার। ভেলোসিটি ইন কিলোমিটার পার আওয়ার। আর সেকেন্ড রোটায় লেখো টাইম ইন আওয়ার। এবারে কলাম করো হচ্ছে ওই ফার্স্টেরটাকে কলাম করে দাও একটা। তারপরে কলাম করো 1 2 3 4 5 6, ছটা কলাম, ঠিক আছে?
বুঝলাম।
মানে এই যে ১ ২ ৩ ৪ ছটা ঘর
আচ্ছা,
করো।
ছটা করে।
হুম, ছোট কলাম করো। ফার্স্ট কলামে লেখো 0.5।
ভেলোসিটি।
না সরি, টাইম 0.5। টাইমটা আগে বলবো, ঠিক আছে? এক্স যেহেতু টাইম। আর
টাইম
ওয়াই
উপরে রাখতে বলবো। হ্যাঁ, টাইম তো নিচে লেখা অসুবিধা নেই।
টাইমটা ফার্স্ট লেখো 0.5। ভ্যালু লেখো হচ্ছে 7.2।
ভেলোসিটি।
হুম, এই ভেলোসিটি লেখো 7.2। সেকেন্ড লেখো 1.5। ভেলোসিটি লেখো 7.5। তারপরে লেখো 3। ভেলোসিটি লেখো 7.5। তারপরে লেখো 4.5 টাইম। ভেলোসিটি লেখো 7.2। তারপরে লেখো 5.5। ভেলোসিটি 7। তারপরে লেখো 6.5। ভেলোসিটি এগেইন 7। এটা হচ্ছে 4 মার্কস। ব্যাস, এক কথা হলো। বাকি এই এক্সামটা আগে দাও, তারপরে কেমিস্ট্রিটা দেবে।
বারো বারো আর 17।
17 হলো, ঠিক আছে। এটা পার্ট 1, ঠিক আছে? আজকে এক্সামের 17 আর ওইদিকে 13 করে দেবে, তাহলে 30 হয়ে যাবে। 17 হচ্ছে তোমার 35 মিনিটস এই পার্টটা। ওকে, সো স্টার্ট করছি আজকের ক্লাস। একটু হোল্ড করো, জাস্ট একটু সেট আপটা করে নিই। ওকে, লাস্ট দিনকে আমরা যেটা করেছিলাম, হোমওয়ার্ক নাম্বার 29 আই থিঙ্ক। Homework number 29 is there any problem? If any problem persists, then please বলো। আর যদি কোনো প্রবলেম না থাকে, আমার মনে হয় কোনো প্রবলেম থাকবে না, কারণ ইজ এ পসিবিলিটিস রিলেটেড আমরা লাস্ট টাইম করে দিয়েছিলাম। সো যদি প্রবলেম না থাকে তো সিলোগিজম এন্ডস হিয়ার, ঠিক আছে? সিলোগিজম কমপ্লিট, অলমোস্ট অলমোস্ট না, কমপ্লিট হয়ে গেছে আমাদের। আর সিলোগিজমের কিছু নেই। Next, after syllogism, if I start the next chapter, আমি একটু দেখে নিচ্ছি আমাদের স্টার্টিংয়ে আমরা একটা কিছু করেছিলাম। ওটা মেবি 16.5, না 23.5, ইয়েস, তো বিফোর 23.5, সো 16.5এই মেবি স্টার্টিং ডেট। না, 16.5 এর পরে 23.5। 23.5 8 আইডেন্টিক্যাল কিউবস, ওকে ওকে, না 23.5 এর পরে 28 mixture irrigation, না 35, yes. So remember the date, 30th May. We have started a plan, or we planned for reasoning. So counting figures, syllogism already complete. So next one, series. Series is very very interesting, and we actually series এর কোনো রুলস হয় না, জাস্ট প্র্যাকটিস করতে করতে আইডিয়াগুলো পেতে হয়। মানে ভ্যারাইটি অফ সিরিজ থাকতে পারে, এই জায়গাটা যত প্র্যাকটিস করবে তত ভালো হবে। সো লেটস স্টার্ট the third chapter of reasoning, a series. See, the first problem, there is no theory, just directly I'm starting the first problem for today. So if a series 3, 4, 7, 11, 18, 29, and dash, find the dash. So this type of figure, this type of problem basically um, belongs to the series. This type of problem basically belongs to the series. So see, the first problem says that 3, then 4, then 7, then 11, then 18, then 29. Actually, you can find from here 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 4 plus 7 is 11, 7 plus 11 is 18, 8, 7 plus 18, 18, 11 plus 18 will be 29. Then 18, 18 plus 29, that will be what? 47. So, first answer will be 47. But remember, this is a experience person can do like this, but in common, always try to find the gap. Okay, it is 1, it is 3, it is 4, it is 7, it is what, it is 11. Okay, then just see, after 1 everything repeats, that is 3 will be there, 4 will be there, 7 will be there, 11 will be there, so there will be 18, so gap will be 18, sorry, not 18, it is gap will be 29, so 29 will be there, so it is 11, it is 29, gap is 3, 3 will be there. Okay, so gap of these two will be the previous one, so gap of these two will be the previous one, that will be 18, not 29, it is 18. Gap of these two will be the previous one, so 18, if we add 18 with 29, then it will be 47. Okay, there also you can find the answer. Okay, similarly you can find this, the next problem. So problem number 2, 8, 24, 12 dash 18, 54. See, here the unknown term or the question mark is given between the numbers. Okay, not at the end, it is between the numbers. See, if I multiply with 8 with 3, then 24 we have, and 24 divided by 2, it will produce 12, and again 12 multiplied with 3, it will produce 36, and 36 divided 2, it will produce 18, and 18 multiplied into 3, it will produce 58. That means the unknown term will be 36. Okay, so your answer is 36 here. Problem number 2. So problem number 3. বেশি হয়ে গেলে বলবে। 18964 dash. Find the fifth term. It is actually very easy. Actually, these are all the cube numbers. That is, if I start with 1, 1 cube will be 1, 2 cube will be 8, 3 cube will be, it is not cube, it is 3 square. So 1 will be squared. Okay, 1 square is 1, 3, 2 cube is 8, 3 square is 9, 4 cube is 34, 64, and 5 square is 25. That means alternative square and cubes. Okay. See, this is a technique. Initially, I assume that it is all cube terms, but sudden I move from 2 to 3, then I see observe that there is 9, not 27. So 9 will be what, 3 square. So now I again goes initially have to modify, or initial term have to modify, that 1 square will be there because 1 is square, second one is cube, third one is another square, fourth one is cube, fifth one is square. Okay. So if I move with the next problem, problem number 4, 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37, and dash. Find the answer. Okay, now check. If I start with 2, 2 and 5 gap is 3, 5 and 10 gap 5, 10 and 17 gap 7, 17 26 gap 9, and it is gap 11. See, 3 5 7 9 11 all are moving with 2, that is 11 plus 2, that will be 13. So gap will be 13. Okay, so 13 means if I add with 37, it is 50. So answer will be 50. Okay, so for problem number 4. Now problem number 5. So next problem, 4 6 10 18 dash. So I am moving forward with few more problems. 15 17 20 22 27 29, then dash. Problem number 7, 17 14 15 12 13 dash and dash. There are two queries. Problem number 8, 230 246 271 307 and dash. So please do these all four problems. uh, just wait 1 minute, I have to check. Oh, okay, find question asked, find the question mark. Okay, find the question marks. So 8, after 18 what will be the number, after 29 what will be the number, after 13 what will be the number, what are the numbers? There are two numbers. What will be the numbers? Okay, there are two problems. Then 307, what will be the numbers? Okay. বেশি কত নাম্বার, কত
দিয়ে
বলেছে?
একটা চিনতে পারতো সবকটা ড্রয়িং কটাতেই ড্রয়িং
হ্যাঁ,
সবকটাতেই ড্রয়িং
Okay, so the first problem, 4, 6, 10, 18. So there are four numbers and one problem. One fill in, one unknown is given or asked. See, the first technique or first practice you have to do, that is gap. That means plus 2, plus 4, plus 8. See the series. 2, 4, 8. That means 2 multiplied with 2, 4 multiplied with 2, 8 multiplied with 2. That means 16. 16 will be the gap. So if I add 16 with 18, then there will be 34. Okay. So the problem is solved. So the next problem, 15, 17, 20, 22, 27, 29, and so on. And the blank. So 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 3, it is 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 5, 27. Again plus 2. See, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Then there will be plus 7. So if I add plus 7 with 29, then there will be 36. So 6, 17, 14. So it is negative, minus 3. Then plus 1. Then again minus 3. Then again plus 1. Then again minus 3. That is 10. So the first blank should contain 10. Then plus 1, that is 11. 10 and 11. Okay. So answer will be 10 and 11. So 230 to 46. It is 16 plus 16. Then plus 15. Then what? 29 plus 7. 36. Then plus 36. There is a mismatching. There is a mismatch. 46. So sorry, it is 46. 46 and 71. That is 25, not 15. It is 25. Sorry. Okay, now it is clear. 16 means 4 square, 25 means 5 square, and 36 means 6 square, and then 7 square. Okay, that is 49 will be added. So 307 plus 49, it is 356. Okay, problem number 8 already completed. Problem number 9. Moving with problem number 9. Next problem, 97, 97, 86, 99, 88, 101. Next, two blanks. 97, 86, 99, 88, 101. See, 97, 99, 101. There are similarities, few similarities. That is 99, 97 plus 2, 99. 99 plus 2, 101, and 86 plus 2, 88, and 88 plus 2 will be 90, and 101 plus 2 will be 103. So 90 and 103 will be the answer. Problem number 10. 7, 9, 13, 21, 37, then dash blank. Solve it. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 8 21 plus 16, that will be plus 32. It is what, 69 will be there. This is problem number 10. So I next one, problem number 11. 541, 149, 329, and question mark. Solve it. This is interesting. Okay, if I observe, বৃষ্টির কটা বাকি?
এটা লাস্ট
তোমার কাছে টাইম
হয়ে এসছে।
এটা কতক্ষণে কত ছিল জানো? 35 মিনিটস।
হ্যাঁ
35 আর 37 42 আর 3-4 মিনিটই আছে। 3 মিনিট মতন আছে। ওকে, 5 plus 41 plus 36, 41 plus 108 is 108, and then what is it is 180, and then what should I write? Is there any relation 36, 108 and 180? Basically you can check, uh, 36, 108, there is a relation into 3, and into 5, then should be into 7. That means the difference will be 36 into 7. 36 into 7 means what? It is 252. So the difference of the last two numbers is through 252. That means the question mark should contain 329 plus 252. So if I add 1, 11, 7, 8, 5, 581. So in the blank you have to write 581. Okay, this is interesting and important very. Problem number 12. 2, 15, 4, 12, 6, 7, question mark, then question mark. There are two problems, so two unknowns. Okay, let's generate it. See, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Maybe, I don't know. Just I first consider this relation plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, then it will be 8. Okay. So 15, if I start with the 15, 15 minus 3, 12. 12 minus 5, it is 7. And 7 minus 7, there will be 0. So answer should be 8 and 0. See, there are two types of series. First one is adding with plus 2, continuously plus 2, and next one subtracting with minus 3, minus 5, and minus 7, and so on. So there will be the answer 8 and 0. Problem number 13. 1, 2, 5 dash 1 to 5 dash 677. This is a real problem, this type of question. Because 1 to 5, all three numbers are one digit. Suddenly, one unknown dash, and then it is 677. Problem number 14. 0, 4, 18, 48 dash 180. Problem number 15. 540, 316, 204, 148, 120, 106 dash. Problem number 16. 10, 18, 63, 253, 1137, 5901, then dash. So there are four problems. Solve it. একবারে কোশ্চেন নিয়ে নেওয়ার কথা, তারপরে একবার দেখো। দেখো, compare evaporation, crystallization and distillation. Full stop. In which evaporation, crystallization and distillation, in which situation would you prefer each of these each of these over the others? দেখো, three students A, B, C are preparing sugar solution for an experiment. Are preparing sugar solution for an experiment. Full stop. Student A, next line देखो, student A dissolves 20 gram of sugar in 80 gram of water. Student B dissolves 30 gram of sugar in 100 gram of water. Student C dissolves 30 gram of water, 30 gram of sugar in solution of
ফ্লুয়েন্সি কত বললে?
C to 30 gram of sugar in solution of 120 gram of water, 120 gram in solution of 120 gram বলেছি।
সলিউশন 120 মানে ওয়াটার না।
না, full stop দিয়ে দেখো, calculate the mass percentage concentration of sugar in each solution. Mass percentage concentration মানে mass by mass in each solution. Continue করো question. Whose solution is most concentrated? Whose solution is most concentrated? Next problem, next question. Define Tyndall effect with an example. Define Tyndall effect with an example. এই তিনটেই question. First question লেখো 4 marks, তারপরটা লেখো 6 marks, তারপরে লেখো 3 marks। 13 হয়ে গেল, এটা পার্ট 2 ফেজ 2। তাহলে ওইদিকে ছিল 17, এদিকে 13 মানে 30। Okay, let's solve the problem one by one. The first one is very tedious. Tedious means very unique problem. 1, 2, 5. So these three actually you can find. mm, Gap is 1, gap is 3. But this gap, if I consider it is 5 and then 7, you cannot reach. You can't reach 7, 677 is a huge number. So when this type of huge large number is there, then remember this gap or gap theory cannot be considered. Okay, gap theory cannot be considered here because difference doesn't solve or could not solve the problem. So this 1 means we can consider 1 square. 2 means 1 square plus 1 square plus 0. Or no, 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 no. 26. Mm, 2 can be found by using 1 square plus 1. 5 can be found by using 2 square plus 1. So this number can be found by using 5 square plus 1. It's 26, right? Why 5 square? Because I am taking the last number. So this 5 means 5 square plus 1. And then just check it is 26 square plus 1 or not. If it is 26, then according to this theory, 1 square plus 1, why I have written? Because 1 is a large number. So why I have written 2 square plus 2? Because 2 is the second number. Why I have written 5 square plus 1, 26, and it is 26 plus 1, 26 square plus 1. 26 square is 676 plus 1, this is 677. So 0, 4, 18, 20, 48. So what should I do? It is mm, it is it is 2 square. The gap starts with the gap theory. 4, it is 14, it is 30, it is I don't know, it is also I don't know. So the gap of the gap is 10, is 16, it is 6. If it is 22, then it is 52. Then it is 52. So if I add 52, then it is 100. So if I consider it is 100, then 6, then that is 28. So if I add 28 with the gap, then actually it is what? 52 plus 8, 68. Yes, 180, 100 will be there. Very interesting. Gap of gap, and the gap of gap is basically plus 6. See, very interesting. Again, I am just discussing. See, it is gap of gap, not gap of gap. It is gap of gap. Three gaps you have to find, and the third gap basically the same number. How interesting. See, it is 4, it is 16, sorry, it is 14, it is 30. Okay, 4 and 14, it is 10, it is 16. So the gap, this is a gap, this gap of gap, this gap of gap, that is 6. So if I add again 6, then what? It is 22. So 22, if I add, it is 52. So gap is 52, that means 42 plus 52 will be 100. And again you have to add 6, that means what? 22, 28. So if I add 52 with 28, then what? It is 80. So the gap is 80, right? Exactly, it is matched. Very interesting. So always try to solve with a gap theory. Okay, so the next one, it is, see, these numbers are decreasing continuously. So instead of subtracting, it is easier to add, right? So I am adding with the last term. It is plus 14. That is reverse. I am moving with the reverse order. Okay. 28. It is 56. It is 102. It is 2040. Na? Not 102. It is 112. And it is 224. So it should be. It is multiplying with 2, right? This is multiplying with 2. The gap of gap is multiplied with 2. So that means it should be multiplied with 2. That means 7 will be the gap. That is what 99 will be the answer. And the last problem of today. So if I move plus 8, if I move it is 16 na. 8, then what? It is 13, 5, 45. If I move it 350, that is 190. If I move, okay, these are very large number. We cannot use the gap theory. Large number cannot take the gap theory. So you have to think about it. So how to find 10? Or from 10 to 18? Just think about it. So 10 plus 8, na? 10 plus 8. 18 means 10 plus 8. So 10 plus 8 means 2 cube. It is 18. 18 plus not 2 cube. If I add 3 cube, that is 27, then also the answer will not be matched. So 2 cube will be added, right? So into 1 plus 2 cube, into 2 plus 3 cube, right? 18 into 2, it is 36, then 27. Yes. Into 3 plus 4 cube. Yes, yes. If I into 3, that means 189 plus 4 cube, 64. Yes, now it is matching. Into 4 plus 5 cube. So that means into 5 plus 6 cube. So this 5901 multiplied with 5, that means what? It is 559. That is 6. If it is 6000, then it is 30. Uh, sorry, 1 plus 1 2 cube into 2 3 cube into 3 4 cube into 3 4 cube into 4 5 cube into 4 5 6 cube into 6 7 cube. Sorry, it is into 6 7 cube. It is 35749. Okay, just hold on a minute. Okay, so I think I completed few problems, and with this type of problem you have to practice few more problems or few more questions. I will give you few homework. Okay, I will give you few homework within next 2 or 3 days. Please continue. Okay. Okay, today's class up to this much. Thank you.